I'm Lindsay Jackson, Artistry and Training Lead at Artis. I'm going to show you a few of the many ways you can use the Artis Linear 3 brush. The Linear 3 is a medium-sized linear-shaped brush, which means it can do a lot. This incredibly versatile linear brush works well for sculpting around the face, eyeshadow, liner, brow definition, or lip enhancing. I love the Linear 3 to apply a cheek highlight or a face oil to my cheeks for added hydration. Artis brushes work with any formula, whether using liquids, powders, or creams, and applies and blends makeup beautifully to any skin type. Here are some of my favorite ways to use the Artis Linear 3 brush. When defining the brow with Linear 3, slide your brush across your favorite brow powder once, and gently glide your brush along the bottom of your brow for definition and blend up into the brow. The Artis CosmeFibre bundles are so densely packed, and each fiber tapers to a microscopic tip, so you need a fraction of the product used with conventional brushes and a gentle application, which gives you a soft yet precise shape. Linear 3 is perfect for applying a cream shadow base to the lid. Glide your Linear 3 onto your favorite base color cream shadow, lift the brush with the fiber bundle positioned vertically, and gently move the brush back and forth in a sweeping motion across the eye to create the perfect neutral lid. Place your Linear 3 into your preferred powder liner product and gently glide your brush from the inner corner to the outer corner and perfect in minimal strokes. Linear 3 makes for an effortless line. With Artis, experience better beauty by design.